Hello together. Today I have a 450 G1 HB Probook. So this is a nice notebook, but it have an issue. So I try to figure out where the issue is and how to repair this notebook. So when I plug in the power supply, you can see the lights are blinking. So the power supply light, the power button light, and also the wireless LAN light and the speaker light. So when you are very silent, you can hear also a noise generating from this area here. So there is something which switches off immediately the notebook off. You know, I think the noise is coming from the fan, because a lot of cases where the notebook has an issue, the fan rotates when you're turning on the laptop, and after 1 second or immediately the fan stops and the notebook goes off. So we have a similar scenario here. As you can see, it turns on and goes off immediately. So how to figure out what the problem here is? In the best case, you have the same laptop twice, as in my case. So as you can see, it's the same model. So I will turn it on, and you can see it's on and it's working. So the issue here is there is the pixel failure in the middle area, as you can see. So in this area there is the pixel line going from this point to the end point of the display. So